Toyota's CEO, Koji Sato, has made waves in the automotive industry with a groundbreaking announcement.
Sato revealed that Toyota has developed a revolutionary engine that could disrupt the fast-growing electric vehicle (EV) market. According to Sato, this new innovation has the potential to mark the end of the electric car era, ushering in a new phase of automotive technology that surpasses anything we've seen before. His bold statement not only challenges Toyota's competitors but also signals that the world's largest automaker is taking a radically different approach to the future of mobility. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. In recent years, the automotive landscape has been heavily dominated by electric vehicles. Companies like Tesla, led by its visionary CEO Elon Musk, have spearheaded this movement, pushing for a transition from internal combustion engines, ICEs, to electric powertrains. Tesla's models, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, have set the standard for performance, range, and technological advancements, forcing other automakers to fast-track their EV strategies.
Traditional manufacturers have also jumped on the electric bandwagon.
Ford, with its Mustang Mach-E, and General Motors, with the Chevy Bolt and the upcoming all-electric Hummer, have rolled out their own EV offerings. What this means for the future of the automotive industry remains to be seen, but it's clear that Toyota is determined to remain a leader in the mobility revolution. The global push towards electrification has been fueled by a combination of environmental concerns, regulatory pressure, and advancements in battery technology. Governments across the world have implemented stringent emission standards, with some countries planning to ban the sale of new gasoline and diesel vehicles within the next decade or two. This has led to a surge in investment in electric vehicles, with automakers racing to develop models that not only meet these standards but also appeal to consumers who are increasingly eco-conscious.
However, Sato's announcement suggests that Toyota is taking a different approach.
While the details of this new engine were initially kept under wraps, Sato hinted that it would offer the best of both worlds, the efficiency and environmental benefits of electric vehicles but with the power, range, and convenience of traditional internal combustion engines. This revelation was met with a mix of intrigue and skepticism. How could a new type of engine, presumably still based on combustion principles, compete with the growing dominance of electric motors, which have been praised for their simplicity, low maintenance, and instant torque delivery?
To understand the magnitude of Toyota's claim, it is important to consider the company's history and its approach to automotive innovation. Toyota has long been a pioneer in hybrid technology. The introduction of the Prius in 1997 marked the beginning of a new era for fuel-efficient vehicles. The Prius became synonymous with hybrid technology and demonstrated Toyota's ability to blend gasoline engines with electric motors to achieve unparalleled fuel efficiency. This hybrid technology, which is still at the core of many Toyota and Lexus models today, was a game-changer in reducing emissions and improving fuel economy long before fully electric vehicles gained mainstream attention. Toyota's reluctance to fully embrace battery electric vehicles, BEVs, as the sole solution for the future has been well documented. While the company has made strides in developing electric models such as the bZ4X, it has also been vocal about the limitations of current battery technology, particularly concerning range, charging times, and the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. Toyota has consistently advocated for a multi-pronged approach to reducing automotive emissions, exploring not just BEVs but also hydrogen fuel cells and advanced hybrids. Sato's announcement appears to build on this philosophy.
Volkswagen, following the emissions scandal that rocked the company, has invested billions in its electrification strategy with a lineup that includes the ID.4 and the upcoming ID Buzz, a modern take on the classic VW microbus. BMW, with its i4 and 9 models, and Audi, with its e-tron series, have all committed to expanding their electric portfolios. These companies are not just following trends, they are betting their futures on the success of electric mobility.
In contrast, Toyota's new engine suggests a different path forward, one that does not completely dismiss the internal combustion engine but rather reimagines it for a new era.
This approach might resonate with a segment of the market that is not yet ready to fully embrace electric vehicles. Range anxiety, concerns about charging infrastructure, and the higher upfront costs of electric cars remain significant barriers for many consumers.
Toyota's new engine could offer an alternative that mitigates these concerns while still addressing environmental impact.
Beyond the technical aspects, Sato's announcement also carries significant strategic implications. By positioning Toyota's new engine as a potential EV killer, Sato is not just promoting a new product, he is challenging the narrative that has dominated the automotive industry for the past decade. The electric revolution has been portrayed as inevitable, with internal combustion engines destined for obsolescence. Sato's message is clear: Toyota is not willing to concede that point without a fight. The potential success of this new engine will depend on several factors, including regulatory acceptance, consumer adoption, and the company's ability to scale production. Governments around the world have been tightening emission standards, and many are incentivizing electric vehicles through subsidies and tax breaks. For Toyota's new engine to succeed, it would need to meet or exceed these stringent emission standards while offering a compelling value proposition to consumers. There is also the question of how other automakers will respond. If Toyota's new engine proves to be as revolutionary as Sato claims, it could prompt other manufacturers to revisit their own strategies. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and even Tesla could find themselves reassessing their focus on electric vehicles if consumers show a strong preference for this new technology. Alternatively, if the engine fails to deliver on its promises, it could solidify the industry's commitment to electrification, leaving Toyota at a strategic disadvantage.